Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials. Gcmob installed, you logged in, and the camera is online, either on the same LAN or reachable via P2P. Once done, open Gcmob and tap the Devices or Device List tab. This shows all linked units. Make sure you have owner or admin rights on that camera because exporting a QR requires access. Next, locate the specific camera entry by name or serial. Don't skip verifying connectivity, since a disconnected device won't reveal its QR code. Once you have the camera open in live view, tap the settings gear or the three-dot menu to reach device info. You'll see fields like model, serial/ID, and network status. Scroll to the bottom where management functions live. Make sure to find the export or share option. Some versions label it QR code or generate QR. Tap that control. The app builds a QR representing device credentials or ID. If the app asks, confirm you want to display or save the QR image to your gallery. After generating the QR, you should see it on screen. Save it to your gallery or tap share to send via messaging. You can now scan it from another phone or a PC client to add the camera quickly. Make sure to test by scanning immediately. If the target app accepts the QR, the process is complete. If you don't see a QR option, check Gcmob permissions, update firmware, or use the camera serial/ID instead. Often permissions or outdated app versions block QR generation, so update and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.